Morning children, we have completed our chapter Internet and Web Services and we have discussed few questions. So let us discuss rest of the questions. So few of them are solved questions that I will discuss in video and some of them are unsolved questions that I will send an audio. So first question is write the purpose of a search engine. So we know that search engine is used for searching purpose. So search engine is used for searching the information which is present on the web. Next, write one advantage and one limitation of email over traditional mail. So we know that traditional mail, it takes time to reach the destination, but email, when we send it reaches the destination. Then email can be stored in our computer. It is a soft copy, but traditional mail is a paper based system. So let us see the advantages. So email is extremely cost effective. Email takes lesser time for transmitting data than conventional mail. Then the disadvantages are need of internet connection to send and receive mail. Then what is the meaning of e-learning? So e-learning refers to the use of network and communication technology in teaching and learning. The letter E in e-learning stands for the word electronic. We can use the information from the internet in our work. Then define e-commerce. So electronic commerce or e-commerce consists primarily of the distributing, buying, selling and marketing and servicing of products or services over the electronic system such as internet and other computer networks. Then write one advantage of e-shopping. So e-shopping has lots of advantage. So in online shopping, we do not need to waste our precious energy visiting the store when buying. It saves time. Then give any two popular examples of search engine. Examples are Yahoo, Google, Bing. So many search engines are there. Then what do you understand by video conferencing? So video conferencing is a technology that allows you to have conversation between multiple people among the same or different locations. Then give any two websites used to send an email. So Yahoo Mail and Gmail can be used. They are www.gmail.com and www.yahoomail.com. Then give one word answers. Another name for junk mails. Another name for junk mails is spam. Then what is search engine? Search engine is a computer program that searches for information on the web. The most popular search engine is. Then write the URL of any e-banking website. So the e-banking website of SBI is www.onlinesbi.com. Then short answer questions. What do you mean by e-shopping? Give 3 advantages of it. So e-shopping is a form of electronic commerce that allows customers to directly buy goods from a seller on the internet by using a web browser. It is also known as online shopping. Then its advantages are it saves energy. That is, in online shopping, you do not need to waste your precious energy while buying. Then comparison of price. The advanced innovation of search engine allows you to easily check price and compare with just few clicks. Then 24/7 availability. Online shopping stores are open around the 24/7 Then write short notes on the following terms. First one, information retrieval. So it refers to the process of accessing the information that is stored on the internet. Then e-banking. E-banking is electronic banking. That is, e-banking is used to access cash through an automated teller machine or direct deposit of paychecks into checking or savings account. Then online shopping. E-shopping is a form of electronic commerce that allows customers to directly buy goods from a seller on the internet by using a web browser. It is also known as online shopping. Then e-reservation. E-reservation is the process of storing, processing and retrieving information of tickets via internet. So reserving tickets through internet is called e-reservation. Then e-groups. E-groups refers to an online environment where users sharing common views and ideas can come together to meet and discuss their topic of interest. Then next question, what are the dangers associated with social networking? So first one is, it opens up the possibility for hackers to commit fraud and launch spam and virus attacks. Then it reduces family closeness. Then it decreases face-to-face communication skills. Then potentially results in lost productivity, especially if employees are busy updating profiles. It gives people a license to be hurtful. Then match the following. Web services or URL given in column A with corresponding web services or URL given in column B. So first one, a social networking site. So that will be matched to a social networking website, that can be matched to www.facebook.com. Then https web.skype.com. So Skype is a video conferencing software. So Skype is a video conferencing software. Then e-shopping. So we know that Amazon is an e-shopping website. Then www.onlinesbi, that is a e-banking software. Then write any 4 tips to avoid spams. So spams are junk, unwanted. So it can be avoided by build your own email list. That is, from those person only we need to get the emails. Then provide a double opt-in. Then never click links in spam mails. Then don't open attachment in email. Then explain the structure of an email. First one is to. This contains the email address of the user to whom we are sending the email. Then CC, it stands for carbon copy. If CC, this enables to view all the email recipients. If we provide the email address in CC, then all the recipients can see who all received the same email. Then BCC is blind carbon copy. If we give the emails in BCC, then the recipients will not see who all have received the email. Then subject. The title of an email is entered in the subject box. Then text area. This is the area where we write the message which is to be sent. Then attachments. This allows us to attach files into the email. Then next question. How email address and URL are different from each other? Explain with example. So URL is Uniform Resource Locator, whereas email address is for just emails, address of a mail, address of a recipient. So URL is the web address of a web page, while email is used to send electronic message to each other using computer networks. In the email, at is used, which is not present in the URL. So email is always used to receive electronic mails, while web address is not used to receive any mails. The examples of URL are abc.com, and email is always there will be a domain name at gmail.com or at yahoo.com, for which the email represents, which domain the email represents. Then application based questions. As life gets busy, it becomes difficult for everyone to keep track of schools and college friends, old colleagues, old neighbors, and favorite teachers. It is important to keep in touch with all your near and dear ones. At times, people sitting miles away doing similar kind of activity or solving similar kind of problems can help you to achieve goals faster by sharing their experience. Similarly, people belonging to different socio-economic background can change your perspective and can enhance your understanding of various cultures. So, suggest any two real-time tools that are used for the given activities. So, we want to contact with our old friends or old neighbors. We can use chatting softwares or social medias like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Then, what is the generic name used for such tools? They are called social networking sites. Then, Mr. Gupta is a farmer who is using internet to improve his crop production. He uses search engine to collect the information. Explain what is search engine. So a search engine is a computer program that searches for information on the web. Then give an example of search engine. Search engine examples are Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Komal receives an email from his friend Akash. In this email, Akash mentions what you are doing these days. Komal likes this mail and wants to share it with other friends. How can she send this mail to her other friends? So, Komal wants to forward the mail. So, she can send the same mail to other friends by performing the following steps. First, click the forward link. Below the mail, there will be a reply or forward. So, click on the forward link. Then type the email address of the intended recipients to text box. In the text box. In the to text box, that is in the to, then click the send button. Then next question. Mr. Pradeep lives in Nigeria and his parents live in India. He wants to get in touch with them. Which internet service will he use? Mr. Pradeep can use email for just instead of sending letters, he can use email. Then for just chatting softwares can be used, or just seeing the parents, he can use video conferencing. Then Karthik ordered and brought a pair of socks online. Which internet service has he used? He may have used any of the e-shopping websites, that is, it is a service of e-commerce application. So e-commerce or electronic commerce consists of primarily of distributing, buying, selling, marketing and servicing of products or services over electronic systems such as internet and other computer networks. So buying and selling goods come under e-shopping. So if we buy any good through Amazon, and if we sell through OLX, it both comes under e-commerce. Next is multiple choice questions. Why should you avoid using all the text in capital letters? While chatting, we say that we should not enter the letters in capital letters because it means you are shouting. Which of the following are the pictures that depict human emotions? So emoticon is the pictures that depict human emotions. Then to send a reply to the sender only, we have to click on the reply button. Then to check for new mails in Outlook Express, click on send or receive button. Then you have opened your account on Yahoo India. That is, Yahoo India means the domain name will be .co.in. yahoo.co.in. Mail with Raman as username. Your mail address would be Raman, R in small letters, because emails by default it takes whatever we enter in the form of small letters. So raman@yahoo.co.in. Then to view the received messages in the mailbox, click on the inbox. In the inbox, the received messages will be stored. Then to permanently delete the mails in the web mail, we have to click on delete button. Then, which is an internet based program to form communities. To form communities, we can use social networking websites. Which button is used to open new message window? To open a new message window in mail, we have to use compose button. Which button is used to exit an email account? To exit an email account, we have to use sign out button. Then Skype and Gtalks are examples of chatting softwares. Okay, thank you children. We will discuss the other very short answer questions through these questions through audio.